Get a little more open.
I don't want to because I don't want to have to refeed it. No, I'm gonna. I got it. I got the clamp off. I just need to break the.
Did you have you let the pressure out?
Yeah, remember I took it off.
Okay.
All right, here we go. Be prepared. These lines. All right, it's almost all the way off. And sorry.
Oh man, I gotta take a piss.
Sorry.
If we have a bolt, let's just put a bolt in it.
Or vice grip it.
Vice grip.
What size line was it?
What size line? Do you know?
5/16, I think.
5/16.
I feel like there's a lot coming out.
Where are those bolts that we had?
How can that be? Because the return goes all the way to the bottom of the tank. Oh, I think it is going to keep running.
Why would you keep running?
Because the fuel is higher.
Yeah.
So you're gonna have to vice grip it.
Yeah. Put that on it now.
It's not tight enough. Hang on. I didn't get it all the way.
Hey, when you guys are
Can you get me one more spare of vice grips? I'm going to put one right behind it.
Here.
when you guys are at Home Depot, you get a couple of big 5-gallon buckets.
Say again?
When you guys are at Home Depot, you get a couple of big 5-gallon buckets.
We should. Well, I guess we should have.
I didn't think about that.
Good job. Good job.
Crisis averted. Should we mop some of this gas up real quick?
Yeah.
Can you get me with some of the blue rags?
Towels. I got people. I gave you
Okay.
paper towels.
Oh, okay, good.
Yeah, no blazing.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, worked out. Dude's car got a little dinged up. Now the pickup, because the return, I think the return. How is this going to work with the pickup? The problem is I can't vice grip the pickup because it's all hard line. Yeah, no, it'll evaporate. Okay, so let's think about this. So if I undo the feed line, what's going to happen? No, it's going to come down. I can actually, you know what I'll do? I can plug it before it fills up. Hand me a beer bottle. Hand me a.
Here.
Jesus Christ. That was a lot of gas. Alright, it stopped.
Holy shit! Wow.
It's dripping. Hold on. Hold on. I need to come out immediately.
Need water?
I actually just leave that go.
Yeah.
If anything, I could.
It's the sending unit, right?
I could. No, that's the feed line. I could squeeze that a little,
Don't.
but I'm not going to.
Don't.
See, this is jacked up too. Someone hooked this up too. This. I'm sorry. I'm really bad though, 'cause I was like, fuck. Skid jump the sending unit. This wheel. If I get this off, I can soft bend this
Yes. Yeah.
slightly back.
Yeah.
So here's what we're gonna do. We're not gonna waste any time. Can I have a flathead screwdriver?
Oh, hang on, over here. There you go. There you got one.
I have snips in here.
We have another pump coming on the side.
Yeah, except let's keep it out for comparison's sake.
Yeah.
I might want to cut this.
Well,
Let's
yeah,
try to
we're gonna have it.
what I'm going to try to do. No, that's why you do it by hand. That's probably a lot better. We might still have to trim a little bit off.
We're gonna. Well, we definitely have.
But let's do this. Hold on. This was where the extreme radius was. I want to take it off and cut that bad
Cut
section
that
off.
section. Yeah, I agree.
Oh, sorry. Let's see. I don't know if you might be able to get it from here.
Yeah, just do it.
They might. Sometimes they give you new hose.
Is there a new hose in there?
Yes.
You got it.
Yeah.
Let's
Let's just save it just in case. We'll have to save the hose plan. I knew we'd get this. We're not over yet, but we're refilling me.
Just tell me what's
I'm gonna
happening.
be all giddy and weird.
Just tell me what's happening. all right. So the fuel pump failed, or it was making a bunch of noise. We think that was the reason that Chuck's car was couldn't get over a certain RPM.
Struggling. He was driving like a Ford.
Yeah, it was driving like a Ford, and so they took the everything down here, and that's the tank. And talk about what else you saw.
So we're gonna replace the pump, the sock. There's a kink in the feed tube, so we need to.
So here's the thing, Chuck. Long term. Drive the thing till it's empty. We're gonna drop the fucking tank again. Put a new sending unit in and cut your hole,
Yeah.
so that you never have to deal
Well,
with
the
this
air
again.
load by the air load of 340 tank with 340 pump and everything.
So should we try to transfer some of that clean gas?
Well,
You know what we can do?
It's heavy, huh? 100 pounds?
We could if we take a cool beer bottle, fill it up, and we fill cars up. I have a funnel that will bypass the valve. It's an emergency funnel.
yeah.
I mean, it'll be slow. How are you gonna get a beer bottle?
I think the best we're gonna do is that one gallon at a time.
Yeah, but how are we gonna? Well, I don't want to. I can't. How am I gonna pour it? Doesn't that have a one-way valve? You'll have to push. We could try it though. We could push the valve in.
You know, here's your.
Okay, when we push power.
What about when if we put this all back together and then unclamp this
Yeah, you could.
and then unclamp this?
Oh.
Wouldn't. Yeah, as long as it's again, we'll put it up on.
Well, it was really
cooler.
dirty coming out of there. Because it might not be now though.
I don't think so. I mean,
It could have just been shit.
It probably won't now because you're not going to have the siphon effect. The siphon effect's gone.
Let me get the jack down over there, right? If you guys can just lift it, 3 inches, then I put the jack on.
That's heavy.
Hold on. Where's the jack plate? So I can see.
You're pretty much on it.
All right.
it's a filler kit.
Yeah, well, I think we're going to
slide it anymore. The board's gonna come off.
Oh, no, we're in the pan.
We're not aligned at all over here.
I think we need to tilt it back, front of the car, up.
Like that? No, it's gotta come way towards my side. Oh, yeah. That's actually perfect. Oh, it goes up over here?
Yeah, it goes way over there.
Oh, fuck. My bad. That's
Yeah.
totally my bad.
Back it back, back it back.
That's my bad.
Take it down.
Yeah, take it down. Shit, that's my bad. There we go.
Hold on.
It's okay. Oh, yeah. Yeah. All right, stop. You're pinned. You're pinned. It's me. Wait, don't move. Okay. Looks in pretty good shape here.
You're coming in.
Hold on.
Yeah, everyone hold on.
Hold on. Chuck, can you lift your side a little bit? Okay, that's good. Oh, shit.